Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to edit flange profile. First of all, select edge flange and I select this edge. Now select edit flange profile and select these lines and drag it. And now go to smart dimension. Give it some dimensions from here to here. The distance is keep it 25 mm. Same here from here to here. The distance is 25 mm. After dimensioning, select back option, and here you can select the length of the flange. I enter 70 mm. Material inside, okay. Now see here, custom relief type. You can select OB round, it will be round. It will be round at here. You can select rectangular, it will be rectangular at here. And select tier, it will be tier at here. Now select tier, okay. See here, this one is tier. Now select edge flange, edit, and I select custom relief type, rectangular. And here you can enter the ratio. Suppose I enter 0.8. It will be 0.8. You can also specify the distance from here 2 mm. The distance from here to here is 2 mm. And the relief depth, you can also specify this one. Suppose I enter 5 mm. It will be 5 mm deep from here to here. Now select OK. You can also select multiple edges at same time. I select this edge and this edge. For edit these edges, select the edge 2 and edit flange profile and drag it. And go to back option. For edge flange 3, select this one. And edit this one. Drag it and specify some distance. Now again back option. Okay. This was the basic tutorial on edit flange profile and edge flange. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.